maybe. You know the thing. I'm not going to say it now. I was going to say, until she blurted out, my mum's here, you see. I was going to say, the thing I missed most, and that I love most about our audiences, which are the best audiences in the whole world, is that you can go crazy with your arms in the air and have a proper hootenanny, and then you can all shut the fuck up at once. And that's an amazing, amazing
Hootenanny, spell that.
So I could remind you of the rules, but you already know them deep down inside yourself. Well, what did I say? I'm going to get you taken out of here. I'm joking. Don't let me darken your door. It's not what I came here for. No, it's not what I came here for. And I won't hear you cry when I'm gone. I won't know if I'm doing you wrong. I never know if I'm doing you wrong. A constant reminder of where I can find her light that might give up the way. It's all that I'm asking for. Without her I'm lost, and my love don't fade away. So I watch the world tear us apart. It's the stoic mind and a bleeding heart. You never see my bleeding heart. And your light's always shining on. And I've been traveling oh so long. I've been traveling oh so long. A constant reminder of where I can find her.